Here's how you fix this annoying buzzing noise that you hear from these headsets sometimes when you plug it into your PC. So here's what you do. On your Windows PC, if you go to this settings option, you can click on this sound option and click on more volume settings. Scroll down all the way till you see more sound settings again. This used to be much easier to access, but in Windows 11 they've made it a little harder. But anyway, go to this recording section. That's where you'll see all the mics. And notice that which mic is making noise. So in this case, you can see this mic is the one that's connected, external microphone. You can double click on it, go to advanced, and firstly use this drop down to select the highest quality possible, like studio quality. And then click on enable audio enhancements. Now this may look a little bit different on different types of drivers, but usually you will have some setting like that. If not, you'll just have to search for universal audio drivers and then download it online. You may have to restart your PC after you do it, but once you have done this, you can click apply. It will temporarily stop this device, which is fine. Click yes, and now it should reduce that sound. If you want to check it yourself, you can click on listen to this device, and if you click apply, everything that the microphone hears, you will be able to hear it too through any speaker or any earphone that you have. So you can even set the audio out to this headset, and now you can select default playback device and apply. Now I can hear my audio, and as you can hear, it's pretty silent now. It has completely removed that background static sound. So there you go, that's it. This is how you fix it. And as a bonus tip, in case your microphone levels are too low and if the other side video callers are complaining that they can't hear you, just go to this levels and make sure you crank it up as much as you can before the audio starts crackling. I mean, you don't want to hear your voice breaking or anything, but just keep it somewhere like in the 20 decibel range, and you can kind of crank this to 100. I found that it works with most earphones and headsets, and you can click OK. That's it. You should now be good to go for that video call on your PC without any static sounds.